With Super Hairpieces and Gen C Beauty, we had 2 full days jam-packed selling K-beauty, skincare, hair care products. We even sold hair extensions. We had a ton of people inquiring about hair systems, hair pieces. We had such an amazing event. We sold out on many of our K-beauty products. We also sold a ton of beauty supplies. So if you are a professional, even if you're a student and you're looking to, kind of build your own business, we got the products right here. We sold them here at the trade show. And since you're in Montreal, we are offering shipping. So please do check out our website. You can register for a professional account or even a student account. Follow us, check out our website, and any questions, we're ready. I'm so excited because guess what? We're coming back next year and we can't wait to meet you.